A combination is a set of elements taken from another set. So let's look at an example. I got 2 extra tickets to a concert and 4 of my friends are interested. Scott, Fred, Adam, and Phil. In how many ways can I distribute the tickets to my friends? So this might sound like a problem that we've already done before, so let's try to do it. So I could give the tickets to Scott and Fred, Scott and Adam, Scott and Phil, or I could give them to Fred and Adam, Fred and Phil, Fred and Scott, or Adam and Scott, Adam and Fred, Adam and Phil, or finally Phil and Scott, Phil and Fred, Phil and Adam. So if we list them all out, it looks like there are 12 ways to do this. However, it's not quite so simple, because if I give the tickets to Scott and Fred, that's the same thing as giving the tickets to Fred and Scott because the same people get the tickets. So if I have Scott and Fred, then I don't need Fred and Scott. If I have Scott and Adam, I don't need Adam and Scott. If I have Scott and Phil, I don't need Phil and Scott. Similarly, if I have F and A, I don't need A and F. If I have F and P, I don't need P and F. And finally, if I have A and P, I don't need P or A. So now we can count the ones that we didn't cross out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so there are 6 ways to distribute these tickets. So we figured out how many combinations there are in this scenario.